Every enterprise begins with an insight. Every research center holds the beating heart of innovation. Every startup is a spark waiting to ignite. The challenge is always the same: identifying market needs. But the greater challenge is anticipating the future with ideas that don't exist yet. So how can innovation be transformed into opportunity and growth? That's where a pathway with enormous potential opens up. Innovation procurement. Not a typical tender, not business as usual, but a real opportunity to play a central role in a market driven by imagination, where the challenges come directly from the public sector, and the goal is to co-create new solutions. It's a model that allows public bodies to seek and adopt cutting-edge ideas to improve people's lives and gives businesses more than just a chance to experiment. It enables the development of advanced solutions, the possibility to test innovation in real settings, and the confidence to invest in a competitive, validated market. It's the chance to imagine and build. New systems for tackling energy problems, new technologies for health and medicine, new ways to combat pollution, new tools to solve everyday challenges of public organizations, which become real-life testbeds for innovation through this approach. The process is clear and accessible. The public administration expresses a specific need for innovation. The market responds with brand new ideas or with solutions already developed but not yet available on a wide scale, opening the door to real-world testing and commercial scalability across all public administrations. In this context, Sardegna Ricerche is a vital point of reference for enterprises, supporting the identification of opportunities, understanding public sector needs, and mastering the innovation procurement process. A hands-on partner for navigating procedures and increasing the chances of success. Innovation procurement is a small revolution, a bridge between public needs and the most brilliant insights. An opportunity to shape tomorrow, starting today for businesses and society alike.